Meaning of digestive biscuit.
Digestive biscuit.
Digestive biscuit.
Digestive biscuit.
Digestive biscuit. A digestive biscuit is a type of semi-sweet biscuit that originated in Scotland. It is typically made from wheat flour, wholemeal flour, sugar, vegetable oil, and baking soda. The term digestive refers to the belief that these biscuits aid digestion due to their high content of baking soda. They are often enjoyed as a light snack or as an accompaniment to tea or coffee. Overall, digestive biscuits are a popular and convenient snack food with a mild, slightly sweet flavor and a crunchy texture.